Alright, what's up guys? We're going to do a little unboxing for you. We got one-piece windows for our 65C10 Project Raven. This is from One Piece Products. Really cool piece. Replaces all your factory pieces. Comes with the instructions to install it. It's a really cool setup. Comes with all the rubber you need, all the mounting brackets you need. Even comes with the window tracks. Now this piece is pretty simple to install. You're going to have to cut out one small little bracket that's inside of your frame of the door. You'll see it. You'll just need a Sawzall to cut it out. We're going to install it here at Average Joe's shop in a couple weeks. So we'll give you an exact install setup. But this is how it comes shipped. You got two single pieces of glass. And they are already tinted. Already have the tracks on them. One solid piece you could see. So this is going to replace our 65C10 wing window and up and down window. This is still going to be a manual setup, but you could add power to this if you want, but we're not going to. So One Piece Window Products, check them out. We're going to be doing the install soon on C10 Builder's Guide and on our YouTube channel, so just keep in touch.